Commissioning your charger has never been easy with the Sync Energy app. All you need is a smartphone, the customer Wi-Fi details, and those charger login details as well. Simply select the charger ID and enter in the PIN number to access the full charger settings. Once there, you've got the full charger setup, install a test mode or the RCD test button as well. For the full charger setup, that gives you access to be able to change all the settings you ever need, including max current settings, indicator brightness, and even offline charging. To see what each one of these settings do, simply hit the eye icon and that tells you exactly what everything does. From there, hit Save and Proceed. This takes you into the load management section, which allows you to turn on the CT clamp, or if you've got our balancer installed, turn that on as well and select the phase. From there, it takes you into the ability to see what that CT clamp is reading, including the voltage. Simply hit Proceed once you're happy with those details, and that takes you into the Wi-Fi parameters. For the Wi-Fi details, simply select from the drop-down the customer's router, and then enter in their Wi-Fi password before hitting Save and Proceed. The charger then does a complete self-check on the electrical shifting for the charger point before it will try and connect to the network. Once it's successfully connected to the network, the charger will then reboot. All you got to do is press Done, and that then gives you the ability to transfer the charger to the new owner, or simply hit Next to view all your previous installation history.